You've been with Rivian for about a year and a half now, right?
Yes.
Rivian isn't just building a vehicle. You're building factories, you're building supply chains, service infrastructure, a brand. You're building a brand. What's the hardest part of scaling Rivian?
As you well said, we are really focusing in vertical integration. We are much more vertical integrated than any legacy OEM. And the biggest part, I mean, the scaling part of it is part of my responsibility, right? Is how we can train people, teach people, define our standards in a way where newcomers can get it integrated and done and execute at speed. But it's just the growth, right? And getting more people and more structures in the organization that needs to deliver based on what you're able to do in a smaller scale. But it's bringing people in, make sure that
Talent.
they integrate in the culture, develop the talent of the existing ones, but the ones that you integrate, that you secure, that you harmonize that knowledge, culture, and ways of working. I think that's the most important one when you grow, and when you grow in a situation where we are vertical integrating much more than other OEMs.
You've seen a lot of startups struggle when moving from prototype to volume. What are the biggest operational risks between, say, 10,000 vehicles and 100,000 vehicles? And how do you manage that transition?
Obviously, the first one is internal, as I said, is securing that the new people that you will integrate. Imagine in a manufacturing plant to go
Mm-hmm.
from 10,000 vehicles to 150,000 vehicles, 100,000. You need more people. Okay, for integrating that people, what we are doing is defining our Rivian production system. There are a number of principles that we secure when we integrate new people, that they are trained on those, they practice on those, and they are coached on those. That's a part that is the difficult internal one, securing that people can deliver in your system. But most importantly, you need to define that system first. That's something that we have been doing in the last year.
Yeah, yeah.
The other piece is the supply chain. So it's developing the supply chain. It's a complex world. It's hundreds of suppliers at tier 1 level, but then you go at tier 2 and tier 3 and even tier 4, and it's securing that supply chain grows at the pace that you need, and coordinating that growth and synchronizing it is a difficult task. Luckily, we have teams that we have developed to be able to understand that world, and AI and data and many IT tools that we started to use, that we develop ourselves, are helping us to enhance and to increase the capacity and the capabilities of our teams. But I would say internally is, again, bringing people, securing that they work as we want in our real production system, and then externally is the supply chain, the big task.